video is going to be a chilled one, an autumnal one. It's going to involve a new recipe, and also we might go on an autumnal walk later on today, so I'll take you along there with me. Anyway, today's video I'm going to show you how I make my leek and potato soup. We're going to use my new soup maker that I picked up from Aldi. I've been loving this. Has anyone else got one? Or did anyone manage to pick one up from Aldi? They are fabulous and I've been loving it, and it is the season of soups and stews. I find that making a soup nearest the beginning of the week can last a good few days of lunches, and it's really affordable and a really easy, healthy way to eat. Get your veggies in. So I've been really loving soup lately. Leek and potato soup, it's one of my faves. I'm gonna make it today and show you guys. Let's not ramble anymore. Let's just get straight into the soup making. I hope you're all well and good. Do subscribe if you want to, and let's get on with some soup making and the rest of the day. Okay, potato and leek soup, super duper easy. Most of the ingredients you should just have lying around. You're going to need 3 or 4 leeks. There's 3 in this pack, they're fairly big. This was from Aldi, so hopefully 3 will be enough. A couple of potatoes. We go for the red potatoes because they're very good for mashing, because they go very creamy, which makes them very good for adding into soups. 1 small onion. Also going to need some chicken stock or veggie stock. I actually have homemade chicken stock in my freezer, so I'm going to use chicken stock in mine, but veggie stock does also work the same. Some white pepper. White pepper is a key ingredient in this. Pepper goes so well with this. A little bit of Tabasco sauce. Trust me, it works. A bay leaf, butter, and a little bit of milk of your choice. This can be a vegan recipe if you want. Just make sure you use a vegan butter. So first thing I'm going to do is prepare all the veggies. So peel the potatoes. I'm going to dice up the onion and dice up the leeks. Oh, and while I prepare this veg, on my phone I'm going to put Netflix. I have just discovered Call the Midwife, and I don't know why it's taken me this long, because I'm very much a fan of period dramas, and Downton Abbey is a big favourite of mine. And yeah, I've only just found Call the Midwife, and I'm very glad I did, because it's a perfect this time of year type series to watch. But I'm going to prepare the veg and then I will tell you what to do in the next step. With the leeks, just take off the very end. And is it true when you take off the end and put it in water, it grows again? I don't know where I've heard that. But take off the very ends, cut up until it gets quite green, and then save the greens for a veggie stock if you want, or just put them in a composter bin. Something really nice about the smell of chopped leeks. Yum. Okay, the onion and the leek are now chopped. I'm definitely crying. The next thing I'm going to do is just lightly fry them for a little while before I throw it all in the soup maker. Just to note, all of my methods and recipes are saved onto my website, which I've linked down below. But yeah, I want to throw this now all in the saucepan. Super duper easy. I want a big knob of butter, or around like 50 grams of butter you want to throw into the saucepan with it. Lightly fry them for a while and then we can put it in the soup maker. Don't fry your potatoes or anything else yet, just the butter and the leeks and the onions.
The blood test results are back from the London. Dr. Tennessee and asks.
Okay, I have my 2 little stock cubes in this. You want about 1 litre, so fill it basically right to the top. I personally put 2 stock cubes in. It's probably the same as having like 2 veggie stock cubes or something like that. It's very concentrated flavour. There's not much to making your own stock. You just really generally need like a slow cooker or maybe a saucepan, and then you use like chicken bones and veggie cut-offs and things like that, and let it stew for quite a while. Anyway, that's for another time, isn't it? I'm going to fill this up and stir it in. So before everything goes into the soup maker, I'm going to quickly dice up my potatoes. You also need to blend this at the end. If you don't have a soup maker like me and you're doing it with a slow cooker, a hand whisk, or what are they called? A hand blender. Actually, Lidl are selling them for under £10 at the moment, really affordable, and they look great. They look like dupes of like a higher end brand. You just blend it with that. It's the exact same as the soup maker, just a couple of different buttons, I suppose. Potatoes are chopped. I'm going to chuck those in first with just a little bit of olive oil, just so nothing sticks at the bottom. Then I'm going to chuck in my leeks and everything else. Okay, now I'm going to put in some white pepper. White pepper just tastes really nice with soups like this. I don't know what it is, but I much prefer white pepper. Good dollop. Then a bit of Tabasco sauce. I know this sounds weird, but it just gives it like a little bit of a kick. At the end, when serving, you can add a bit of cream and a bit of cheese, which we might do. I'll show you that when we serve it. We're probably going to have this for dinner tonight. And a bay leaf. I didn't make it clear in my last video when I made a soup that I took my bay leaf out. I do actually take the bay leaves out because they don't soften or anything like that, they just stay hard. So throw a bay leaf in and you should be able to find it just before you start blending. Maybe jump. Okay, I want it on chunky. I'll do a separate blend after. And there, 28 minutes. Fabulous. The soup has just beeped, which is great. So it's ready to blend up now. You can add some milk if you want to make it even more creamier. You can actually add full fat cream as well if you want to make it really creamy. Although I find the potatoes make it creamy enough as it is. So I'm going to assess the situation here, and if it doesn't need milk, I'm not going to add any. Yum, yum, yum. It's so good. I'm actually going to leave it in there for a while now. I don't need to eat it right now. We're going to be having it for dinner. It does taste really good though. It's a very, very simple recipe, but very effective. Let me know if you've grown leeks this year. I really want to try that next year. It's a little bit later in the day now, and I believe it's dinner time. And it's perfect because outside it's rainy and drizzly and grey and just cosy. So I've just reheated it now. We're going to pour it out, and yeah, we're just gonna have a nice dinner. Soup, it's good for the soul. Actually the next day, I totally forgot to finish that, just forgot yesterday basically. Kind of filmed the soup stuff, and then today's a new day. Anyway, so we're going out for an autumnal walk now, which is gonna be really nice. It's finally stopped raining for the last 5 days, which is fantastic. Although I like cozy weather, if it's raining constantly and you can't really go out and do much, gets a little bit, you know, gets a bit depressing. So we're gonna go out for a nice autumn walk now. Oh, I found these in M&S yesterday. YUMNUT, so it's like a yum yum donut. They are the salted caramel millionaires brownie, millionaires something donuts. Lawrence already had one yesterday. I wasn't in the mood for it yesterday, but I am in the mood for it today. So I feel like when we're back from our walk, I'm gonna have one or maybe half of one because they look really sickly. They smell incredible though, but they've got this lovely like salted shortbread on the thing, so we'll do a little taste test of that when we're back from our little autumn walk. Are you ready, Freddie?
Very nearly.
Right, gonna get my shoes on. I'm living in my Doc Martens again. Finally, it's cool enough to wear Doc Martens. Oh, I really want to show you my coat as well. It's new. Cool. So this is my brand new coat. We call it the caterpillar coat because I look like a big hungry caterpillar while wearing it. It was from Costco and it's the warmest thing ever.
It's like a sleeping bag.
It's like a big sleeping bag wormy jacket, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it when it's done up.
Yeah, it was from Costco. It's £65. It's from the brand DKNY. If you do have access to Costco, I
Check it out.
highly recommend. It's like the warmest coat. It's long. Oh, I've got a conker in there.
Give us a spin then.
Good, isn't it?
Perfect.
It's just so warm. And Lawrence has his autumnal shacket.
Yeah, I'm gutted about this because I bought it thinking, wow, this is really cool. I've never seen anything like it. And then you told me like the day after that everyone's selling them. And I was really disappointed because I thought I'd got like a one-off.
This is a nice one though.
It's a really good
orange
one.
And black. I've not seen one as nice as this.
It's
From
quilted.
Costco. And it's quilted.
No
My
way.
coat I bought in a size small. Didn't I?
Yeah.
Lawrence's is a medium. Cool. Oh, look at our bunting. Haven't shown you that. Oh, Lawrence is wearing his hat that I always think, is it a Trump hat? It's definitely not.
No, because Trump hats are red.
I know, but I just hate a hat with writing on now because I worry that it looks like a Trump hat. Anyway, look at our Halloween bunting. How cute is this? We've got it from Home Sense. But yeah, it's a really good quality bunting. Anyway, we should go out on this autumn walk
We shall.
with your Make America Great Again.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine.
We've just got back from our walk. It was a really nice walk and it's just started chucking it down with rain. That was very good timing. Slash, it's now very, very cozy. It's the evening. Great British Bake Off is on tonight. How exciting.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. I was thinking what we go watch.
Great British Bake Off, GBBO. So, just before that, oh, can you hear the rain? Look. Just so nice. So just before that, I wanted to try out my donut. Oh, I'm out of breath, honestly. I wanted to try out my donut. I'm gonna do a quick little taste test of this donut that looks very good. They actually had lots of flavours in, and I know for Christmas they're getting loads of YUMNUT flavours in. So that's gonna be fun when we do the M&S Christmas Taste Test 2020. But let's try the donut. Top tip, put your donut in the microwave 10 to 15 seconds just before you eat it. Makes it all gooey as if it's freshly baked again. Also, Lawrence bought me this today and I'm really excited to try it. Pucca Organic Nighttime Latte, and it's a nighttime drink with oats and ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, what a cool word. You just add your own milk. I've got oat milk for it. It's got loads of oat grain powder, coconut milk powder, nutmeg powder, chamomile flower extract, lavender, cinnamon bark. Oh my gosh, it sounds like it's going to be quite festive. So I'm going to have that tonight before bed. I will report on Instagram how I find that. Oh my gosh, it's so soggy after like 12 seconds in the microwave. No wonder you had to eat yours with a fork. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Can't even tell you. That is ridiculous. Isn't that ridiculous?
Yep. It's unreal.
It's unbelievable. It's the gooeyest thing ever. It's got this lovely biscuit on and caramel, salted caramel chocolate sauce on the top. It's absolutely...
I'm gonna have to put on top of it.
Why don't you put spicy sauce? Lawrence is complaining because there's only a margarita pizza for him to eat tonight.
Absolutely devastating. Yeah. I've got some really nice cheese. I'm going to add some extra cheese. Ooh, I found some ham.
Why don't you add some ham on it then? Anyway, I have to get that YUMNUT from M&S. I highly recommend it. I'm going to finish it now. Going to jump in the shower, get cozy on the sofa, ready for GBBO. Who do you want to win, by the way? Let me know down below. I'm still really undecided, to be honest. I'm going to actually end the vlog here because I might as well. It's probably gone on quite a while. I'll see you again on Sunday for a new video. I hope you're all really well. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're enjoying autumn so far. And yeah, see you soon. Love you very much. Bye. Bye.
Need something to go in the middle.
This is Lauren's. Lauren, this is Lauren's take on a margarita pizza.
This is...
He won't just let it be its glorious margarita self.
No
he has
way.
to ruin it with loads of ham. What's that? Like goat's cheese?
Well, it looks like goat's cheese, but it's not. It's this fancy cheese that I got from Tesco.
Fancy cheese from Tesco.
Yeah, mouldy. Nice.
You're going to put pickles on it.
Oh, I don't think I am.
When?
I don't think I am. I was tempted to, but I'm not going to. Look at that.